Daddy, bonus points if you know what this animal is called. Hippo! Welcome to the Daniela Show. Oh, Daniel Show. Daniela Show.
Where are we going?
To park.
Which park?
Do you feel?
I don't know. We're going to a park, right?
Yeah.
What are we going to do there?
What?
What should we do at the park?
We don't have our scooters.
We don't have our scooters, but I think we're going to do something fun.
Yeah, we don't. We're going to go to the playground. Maybe there's no playground there. Boats!
This is a nice park.
A doggy. Yes. Oh, look at that house. It's full of vines. Dogs! Dogs! So, what do you want to tell us about this park? It looks like a cave. Tunnel. A tunnel. Oh, school building. 3D, huh? Oh wow, boatsies. Look at the crane. Oh yeah, there. 2 cranes. And a flag. Look at that huge flag. Big flies. Okay, so we're just in the park. The forest. It looks like a forest.
We're in the line. Yeah, it's like a jungle.
Yeah. Like a state park. State park. That's brownish, reddish trees. I see on the camera. This guy have it. I love it. This guy have it.
Let's count to 10 in Spanish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you count to 10 in Spanish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Oh, 4.
Yeah, he got it right. Cuatro, cinco,
5, 6, 7,
7,
9,
8.
8, 9, 10.
Good job.
8, ketchup, pound, need, 8, hot, 8, north, cans, teas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You remember that when Sonia saw a real chicken, a real rooster at a restaurant, and it said "Cuckoo!" A real one. Lucky day.
Look how the trees are connected to each other up here, right? Yeah, like a tunnel. Yeah, it's cool.
Caution, turtles.
What?
Please drive carefully.
Where is turtle? Is there a turtle here? Is there a turtle here? Because I do not see.
All right, what are we doing?
Going on a scavenger hunt.
Scavenger hunt.
Egg. That's fun.
There's egg? Pink egg. Will we find another? Where? Found 2.
Where's the other one? We both got 2. Orange.
Okay, let's see, Ella.
All right, let's see what we got inside.
Reindeer.
Show
Show
to
us
the
close.
Reindeer. Viva. What is that?
think that's a leopard.
Come on, let's see mine. See mine. Elephant. Lion. Hippopotamus. And camel. Oh my god, my favorite one.
So what are those?
What do you got there? Show us.
I got
So.
a reindeer
Yeah, that's a moose.
Yeah, so
Moose.
This
let's
is a
line
moose.
them up, okay?
and a lion,
That's a, yeah.
a moose, and a leopard,
Yeah.
a bear, and zebra, elephant, and a bear.
The bear.
Oh, let's see what two bears?
2 bears?
Oh, it's a bear family.
There's 3 bears?
Oh, 2 mooses!
2 moose.
And 2 elephants. Tigers. Buggy, 2 elephants. 3 mooses?
3 moose. What do you have? What do you have in there?
3.
What? Why do you have so many elephants, dude?
Can I see?
She has an elephant family.
And I have a moose family. And now let's see who can find the last and final one. Should we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10? Yeah.
And you?
1, 8, get to how many hot eight.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
He's a cat. I have 12. Yay! You got 10 and I had 12.
So let's take a look at all the animals that we have. We have, this is
A moose.
a moose, right?
Can I do the next
What's his name?
A moose.
What's the moose's name?
Hucko. No, Hucko. Hucko. No, Daddy, I want to name him. I want to name him Poopy Diaper. Boogie.
Roar. There's a lion here. Did you know?
Boogie, can I find the
Look.
yellow?
Look, there's a lion here.
That's it. I want to.
Look, it's gonna eat. It's almost as big as your head.
I think it's this way.
I want it.
Where can it be?
I found it.
Oh, wow. Look around. Oh, you can see. Okay.
Look how much animals I have! Look how Who gets the most?
Okay, let's see. What's that?
Giraffe?
Hello?
I have hundreds of giraffes!
Yeah.
Are you? Oh no. 4 giraffes? I'm a monkey family.
All right, let's look at all the animals. What kind of sound does a giraffe make? Giraffe's head is pretty big in this video.
Yeah.
All right, what kind of sound does a lion make? That's scary. Oh wait, do you know what this? All right, bonus points if you know what this animal's called.
Oh no.
What is it? What kind of animal?
Rhinos?
Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. That's a rhinoceros.
And a poopatella. A camel.
You got a camel.
Poopatella camel.
You got a camel. Jig, jig, jig,
Rhino.
jig, 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 jig. This camel is going across the
What
desert.
is this called? Daddy, bonus points if you know what this animal is called. Hippo. Oh, you know.
All right.
What is this called? A leopard. Hey, I have a leopard. This is my leopard family. Leopard.
Look, the elephant's here. And what kind of sound does an elephant make? And he spits water like.